Today, I'm sharing with you 100% free and unlimited AI tools for making content creation very easy for you using CapCut. So, come with me and let's get started.
So come over to CapCut. Let's go to AI Video Maker. Click on it. This is what we have. You have the instant AI video, the new project, brainstorm with AI, avatar video, match media. Let's click on instant AI video. Just click on try it. So this is what we have. Under the style, you have the realistic, the cartoon 3D, the movie, the photograph, whimsical, and other ones. So for the purpose of this video, let's go with the cartoon 3D. Click on it, then choose your aspect ratio. Let's choose 16:9, and then you paste your script here. You either choose the voice you want, either wacky, adorable girl. For the purpose of this video, let's use queen, and then you choose how many minutes you want. Now let's choose 1 minute. So tap on create. Now our video is generating. It will take us about 3 minutes for the video to generate. Here our video is ready. It has generated the script, the video, the voice for us. So now for you to export it, you have to click on export, enter the file name, leave every other thing like that, then come down to frame rate and choose 30 fps. And after that, you click on the export and wait for our video to export. And after that, you click on save. So now let's go to the brainstorm. This one works like ChatGPT. You input your prompt, click on enter, and then wait for it to generate topics. So now if you click on topic, on any topic, it can still generate another subtopic for you. If you're okay with it, you click on the pin and click on generate script, and then you choose your duration. If there is any other thing you want to add, you can add it on the more requirements. If not, click on generate and wait for it to generate. Our script has been generated for us. You go through it, go through all the scripts and see if there is need for any changes. If not, click on voiceover, or then you choose either avatar or voiceover. Choose one. For the purpose of this video, let's go with voiceover. So you come here, let's make use of the queen again. Then if you click on the queen, you click on apply to all scenes. It's ready. Our voiceover is ready. Then you come over to the media, and then you choose the one you want, either to generate AI media, match stock media, match your media, any one you want to choose it. So let's make use of the generate AI media. You click on it, then you choose the style you want. Let's make use of realistic film. You click on it, and then you choose your aspect ratio and click on apply to all scenes and wait for it to generate.
At this point, I believe you're getting value from this video. Please support your girl by subscribing to my channel. Like this video, comment, and share so that more people will learn from it too.
Our media is ready. Everything about our media is ready, from the first scene to the last scene. And let's play it and see what we have.
Did you know that for 99% of our history, we humans have had no idea where we really came from? Hi, I'm here to introduce you to...
So when you're done, if you're okay with it, you click on export. If you want to change the file name, you can change the file name. If not, you leave it, and then leave every other thing just the same way they are, except for the frame rate. Click on the frame rate, take it to 30 fps, and then click the export button. Once you're done, click on save. Now let's go back. So we're here. Let's try the match media to script. Click on try it, and then it will bring you to this place. You upload your media, enter your script, choose your voiceover and the duration. Let's upload the video. and then wait for it to upload. You get? As it is uploading, you can either add any other one by clicking the plus sign you're seeing there. Yes, just right here. And after that, once your video is uploaded, you can click on the create, and then it will generate your video for you. Then you have other ones which has already been made. You can click on this one, or you click the remake to make another video of it. These are where your videos are saved. Let's go back, and here we have the long video to shorts. Click here to upload any video you want. So now let's click it. Let's make use of this recent video that I made. So you either choose auto 60 seconds or any one you want to choose for the duration, but for the purpose of this video, let's make use of the 60 seconds. Then you click on convert, click on allow, and then allow your video to be uploaded. They're now being created into shorts. Now you click on anyone to hear what you have.
Ask it questions and prompt it to just research anything for you.
Good. If you're okay with it, you can click on export to export the videos. You can change the name, or you leave it as, then click on export if you're okay with it to export it, and then you wait for a while and our video has exported to our device. Now let's go back. This is the text to speech. Let's click on the text to speech, and this is what we have. You choose the voice you want. If you're okay with everything, you click the generate button and wait for the voiceover to be generated. We have our voiceover. Then you click on the download button. You either choose the audio only or video and caption. Let's click on audio only, and our video is ready. If you want to change the voice, you click on the voice changer, click on select file, then choose the voiceover that you want to change the voice, click on open, and it will be uploaded here. Once it's been uploaded here, play it to hear the voice.
Hi there. Feel free to enter your text.
Hi there. Feel free to enter your text.
Then click on preview to hear it.
Hi, welcome to my space. Please like and share this video if you find it valuable.
Wow, this is nice. Let's use it. Click on generate and wait for it to be generated. Click on the download button, choose the voice only or the caption. Then let's make use of the voice only.
Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more valuable videos like this one. Also, don't forget to check out my previous videos, and trust me, you won't be disappointed.